I've got a Ruko Flexcore 5-pin lock here, sent to me by Yale's Vastian. It's a very difficult lock to pick. Here's the bitting again. Here's the Flexcore sign. This lock is a very weird lock because you need to vary the tension by heavy to light to set some pins. I'm using my homebrew tension wrench and my homebrew gem pick brass handle. I'm gonna start from the butt today. No, actually I'll start from the front with heavy tension. There you can hear the clicks. If you basically, once you get the fault set, you lighten up the tension a bit. Otherwise the pins keep dropping. There we go, I got click down too. There, got a nice turn on the core. Got another turn on the core. There, got another turn. So far so good. Can't drop the pins now. There we go. That's open sesame. 2 minutes 21. I couldn't wait to get this lock out of the way. It's a very difficult lock for me to pick. I picked that with heavy tension. Usually you have to use light tension for locks, for Rukos. So let's get all the gutting things in the way. So here's the lock. Here's all the gutting kit. Let's get the lock in. For you guys, so you guys can see the full gutting. I want to really see what's in this lock. I've never seen what is in it. So I'll put the tools up there, what I picked it with. Oh shit, and a C-clip remover. Oh no, I hate C-clips. Oh, actually it's come off quite easily this time. There we go, so the C-clip's off. We just need the plug follower ready. Hope we don't make a mess. There we go. Let's see if we can't make a mess of this. Yes, everything's gone down smoothly. I can't see no counter milling. No, there's no counter milling in this. Oh no, it's got wafers. I don't know where that's come out of. 1, 2, I think. 3's got a wafer in it as well. It's got a serrated wafer. 4 standard steel key pin. 5 standard steel key pin. The small key pin. I don't know where the wafers have come from. I can't see no counter milling, but it's got a very dirty core. So maybe no. Can't feel no counter milling. Let's see what sort of pins it's got. Sorry guys, I'll just zoom out a bit so you guys can see. bit better what's going on, then you get a proper look. So pin 1, is a ASA driver. Yes, like I thought so. Oh, pin 2, it's got master wafer and a ASA driver. I'll have to be careful whilst cutting this. Pin 3, ASA driver. Pin 4 is a ASA driver which flew out. And pin 5 is a ASA driver. So there we go. That's the ASA Flexcore picked and gutted. There you see. Give you a better look on that one. As you can see, I can't keep it. It's got like serrations here, like a serrated wafer. I've never seen that before. And that's the 5-pin. I'm trying to get a better focus on that. 1 second, I'll have to hold it like this, guys. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.